always share my summer garden pasta recipe.
Ooh, spaghetti pomodoro. That sounds interesting.
I always use around 4 cups of cherry tomatoes sliced into.
Use cherry tomato like this one, or you can use round. I have long ones, not a round.
Force in half around 18 leaves of fresh back the leaves and then roll them up a little bit.
Never chop basil. Break it by hand or the flavors will stay on the chopping board.
Then I use a whole head of garlic.
That's a lot of garlic, but I still love garlic.
Cook down your tomatoes for 10 minutes and then transfer back to a bowl, and then add your basil and garlic and 1 tablespoon of hot chili flakes, soy sauce or tamari.
Soy sauce or tamari? No, soy sauce doesn't belong on pasta.
Add half a cup of olive oil to the bowl. Just cook and drain your pot. Place your tomato mixture in to heat up for about 5 minutes or so. Then add 1.5 cups of your favorite Parmesan.
Never put cheese on a hot pot. It will become lumpy.
Quick, easy, and so delicious.
That is disgusting. Because of the lumpy cheese, it's yucky. It's disgusting. Oh, come on. I'll show you how to make it.
Go. All right, Manny. So what are we making today?
Pasta al pomodoro.
Come on, go.
Guys, put the heat on medium heat. Add extra virgin olive oil. A light rain of extra virgin olive oil. It's just an expression. Because we call light rain a drizzle.
3, 1, go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
You can crush the garlic. Either you can break the garlic in half to get the flavors, or you can crush the garlic just like I did.
Okay, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Add 2 tablespoons of water to prevent the garlic from burning.
Very good. Okay, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. Whoa, so now we're adding the tomatoes.
Yep, and this tomato, we need to squish this.
All right, Manny, so what do we do now?
Put this on and add this leaf too, and we stir this.
Oh, okay.
And it'll release the flavor, and we're gonna stick this out. I know it's a thing, but we don't want to eat this, and we can take it out.
Oh, in 2, 3, 1, go. Okay, Manny, so what are we doing now?
Add salt.
In 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what are we doing now?
Twist and drop the spaghetti.
Wow,
Do not break
nice.
spaghetti. Italians get mad, as I said.
3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what are you doing now?
Adding the black pepper.
So, Manny, what do we do now?
We take this out.
Awesome. 2, 3, 1, go. Okay, Manny, so what do we do now? Coming, 2, 3, 1, go. So now, Manny, what do we do now?
This is how you blend it. So, do this. 1, 2, and 3.
All done?
I'll put the sauce back in.
3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what are we doing now?
Adding some basil
All right.
and al dente.
All right, Manny, so what do we do now?
We mix it and take it off the heat and finish finishing touches. Oh, sorry. More extra virgin olive oil, more basil. Add more. We are ready to mix it. You can add pecorino or parmigiano reggiano if you want.
Coming, 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what do we do now?
We
It's
put
ready?
this pasta and put it on the plate
Wow, look at that.
and put the sauce on top. I need the spoon. You can add basil if you want, but the basil was very pretty, so we cannot top it. We can only put it in the sauce, and we can top the cooked basil on top.
Look at that. Fantastic.
is the ultimate spaghetti al pomodoro. Mmm. That's good.